So this is the product I use to clean the car. Wheel cleaner for the wheels. And then I got Jay Leno wax. That's a good one. And Jay Leno's also Radian. And then Tire Shine. That one is a good one. And then the Tire Shine Spray. That's a good one too. Car Guys. I like both. And then I got the STP degreaser wipes. I can use those for clean the engine bay. It works pretty good. They're all good products. Wheel cleaner, wax, Radian. I always put the wax first and then I put the Radian. And the shine lasts for a few weeks. Nice. And then the tire shine, it lasts very good time. This one lasts more, the first one, than the Car Guy, but it gives you a nice shine. And after I use all that, the car comes out brand new. Nice and shine, early in the morning. Like a mirror, crystal, shine. Beautiful shine.